Young bees make a ball of pollen when they sit on the flower, consisting of saliva, pollen, and nectar. It is collectively called pollen bee, which they carry back to their hives and store in honeycombs. Beekeepers collect the pollen bee by restricting bees at entrance of their hives. Bee pollen possesses unlimited health benefits, and it is declared a medicine due to its effective results in various health conditions. Let us see the health benefits of bee pollen in detail. Number 1. Nutritional profile. The natural form of bee pollen comes as a small and crunchy pellet holding a quick punch of nutrients like protein, carbohydrates, calories, and fat. It also contains other 250 essential nutrients like vitamins and flavonoids, making it a valuable ingredient in several recipes and dishes. Number 2. Acts as a strong antioxidant. The antioxidant properties of bee pollen and fermented foods are alike. The most significant antioxidants found in bee pollen are vitamin A, C, E, flavonoids, carotenoids, camphorol. These antioxidants neutralize the effect of antioxidants like a cigarette smoke or other pollutants and prevent various diseases. Several studies have shown that bee pollen antioxidants help eliminate harmful bacteria. They reduce chronic inflammation and prevent the growth and spread of tumors. Number 3. Reduces bad cholesterol levels. Bee pollen lowers the risk of heart diseases by reducing the bad cholesterol levels, or LDL, in the body. High lipid levels cause chronic heart diseases. Bee pollen extracts prevent lipids from oxidizing that otherwise results in developing clusters, restricted arteries, and clogged blood vessels. Number 4. Improves liver function. The liver is one of the most important organs that breaks down and eliminates toxins from the blood. Bee pollen is said to protect the liver from damaging toxic substances like drug abuse or chemicals. Bee pollen also enhances the liver's antioxidant defense and improves its detoxifying abilities by removing waste products from the blood. Number 5. Prevents osteoporosis. Bee pollen contains essential nutrients like calcium and phosphate that offer bone density. Bee pollen protects bone from damage and fracture and prevents bone-related issues like osteoporosis. Number 6. Eases menopausal symptoms. Menopause, the cessation of menstruation in women, accompanies uncomfortable symptoms, including mood swings, sleep disturbances, hot flushes, and night sweats. Studies show that bee pollen may relieve several menopausal symptoms. A study claimed that 65% of women taking a pollen supplement indicated health improvements such as better sleep, less joint pain, reduced irritability, and improved mood, as well as experienced fewer hot flashes. Number 7. Improves nutrient absorption and metabolism. Bee pollen contains bioflavonoids and vitamin C, which enhances the absorption of iron. An animal study proposed that amino acids and proteins in bee pollen also increase the absorption of calcium and phosphorus from the diet. Additionally, bee pollen speeds up metabolism, promotes longevity, and improves muscles and tissue growth. Number 8. Wound healing properties. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of the bee pollen enhance the wound healing process in the body. In an experiment, the effects of silver sulfadiazine and balm-containing bee pollen were observed to heal the wounds, and the results revealed the same effects. Furthermore, the antimicrobial properties also prevent infections that are a major threat in healing process of cuts, scrapes, burns, and abrasions. An ointment containing bee pollen extracts kill microbes on fresh burn and wounds, supporting wound closure and potentially avoiding secondary issues. Number 9. Boost immunity. Bee pollen has potent antimicrobial properties that prevent the onset of allergies and other infections. It boosts your immune function and prevents serious ailments and reactions. High levels of flavonoids and camphorol in bee pollen are primary reason for its antimicrobial activity. In a study, Its effect on mast cells were observed and found that it reduces the activation of the mast, which releases chemicals and stimulates an allergic reaction in the body. So what are some new facts that you learned through this video? Let us know in the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up.